Hi, welcome to NetSet OS. Now it's time for the next exercise number 2. In this exercise, we are going to be using everything that we have just learned. So for this exercise, we need to write a regular expression that matches both the word happy and nappy. Yeah, I forgot. Here I'll be providing a text file for this exercise 2, which we'll be using to write a regular expression. That will be provided in the description below, so you can refer this. So the first point, you need to write a regular expression that matches both the word happy and nappy. Secondly, write a regular expression that matches feel but not feels. Then the third, write a regex to match the digit and the period. For example, you need to match this 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and 4 dot. And any other number should not be matched with this. Then fourthly, write a regex to find 18 character word that starts with F. So whichever word with 18 characters has been used in this text file, you need to find out. So you can pause the video, take some time to work, and then go through the solutions that I'll be coming up with. So pause the video now. Hopefully you did well in this exercise. If you got stuck, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through and show you the answers that I came up with. So I'll go to my regex tool and I'll copy this text file to the regex. Now the first question was, write a regular expression that matches both the word happy and nappy. So here I have to match happy and also nappy. Happy has been matched with this. Now if I write the word here, happy and also nappy. So for regex, all letters are same except this H and N. So except first letter, all the letters will be there. So here I'll write a character set where I'll mention H and N. Instead of this, I would have put dot also, but I want to make a range. Just happy and nappy, nothing other than that. So here we can see, if you scroll down here, it is matching happy as well as nappy. So the first question solved. Now comes the second question. Write a regular expression that matches feel. So we need a regex to match feel but not feels. So here if I write feel, it is matching with feel everywhere, but this feels is not being traced. So what I'll do, I'll make use of negate here. So if I write negate S, so here you can see it's tracing feel but not feels. Here you can see it's not matching at all. But the problem we are facing here, it is also taking space with this, and that we don't want. So this we will solve in the later videos, but right now feel has been tracked but not feels. So second question solved. Now comes the third question. Write a regex to match the digit and the period. Period refers to dot over here. So first I need a number here. So what I'll do, I'll write \d so that it can track all the numbers, then a dot. But dot will be tracking other number as well, because dot here is a wildcard character. We want to make sure that we escape it to make it a literal period. So here I'll write \dot. So this is now a literal period, literal dot. Now there are exactly 4 matches, 1 dot, 2 dot and 3 and 4 dot. So question 3 solved. Now comes write a regex to find 18 character word that starts with F, and then we should have 18 character. So here what I'll do, I need to write F, then we can use /W so as to match all the characters which are left in 18 words. So it will be 17 times. So here you can see the only word starting with F is this. So we are able to find 18 character word starting from F by using this character set. Though this solution works for us, let's improve this in our next video where I'll be coming up how to improve our repetition method to avoid this. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.